Yo, what's up? It's Verpus, and I'm finna be showcasing this CAMLOCK. It's more legit than your regular silent aim. And move around, move around. See, obviously it predicts. Yes, sir. But the sad thing is, you shoot the ground. Oh shit! What the fuck? Alright. Let's run this quick 1v1. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. See, as you can see, it's too good. I'm on 1,000 ping, so it's kind of ass right now. But we finna run up another 1v1. It could do air shots. It could do everything. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit! All right, boys, finna run up this 1v1. All right, jump. Yes, sir. Sure, W's. Guys, this is gonna be the this is gonna be the last 1v1. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Son. Alright, guys. This is Verpus. Bye.